Solving problems involving division of fractions. Sample problem. Mother sewed 28 meters of cloth for dresses. If she used 3/4 meter for each dress, how many dresses did she make? Following the 4 steps in problem solving, una, kailangan you understand the problem. First, you need to know what is asked. So, ask is how many dresses did mother make, or the number of dresses mother made. Next one is what are given. Given are 28 meters of cloth na gagamitan niya, and then 3/4 meter bawat dress na magagawa niya. So this is understanding the problem. So next step is plan. So that would be first, what is the operation to be used? So ang binigay ay 28 meters of cloth at ang gagamitin ay 3/4 lang bawat dress. Kaya, divide natin. So, division. And then 4, what is the number sentence? So, yung 28 na meters of cloth, divide natin with 3/4. So, 28 divided by 3/4 equals n. And then, the third step is solve mo na. Diba? So, number 5, solve. And then, gamitan natin yung number sentence kanina, which was 28 divided by 3/4. So, instead of n, tuloy na natin. Okay? So, 28 over 1. Okay? Writing it in fraction, that would be 28 over 1. And then, divided by 3/4. Hindi na ako dito follow dun sa ating ginagamit na tatlong phrases, which are leave me, change me, flip me. Gagamit tayo dito ng isang solution in solving problems, or in getting or dividing fractions. So, gagamitan natin ito ng cross multiplication. So, 28 times 4, that is equal to 112. And then, 1 times 3, that is equal to 3. Tandaan lang natin na if you multiply the dividend, 28, okay, the numerator, times the denominator sa kabila, okay, that would be your answer as the numerator dun sa answer mo. Okay? And then, ito naman, 1 times 3, ang sagot mo dito siya sa baba. Okay? Ganun ang cross multiplication, di ba? So, 112 divided by 3, if you divide that, you would get 37. And then, may sobrang 1/3. Now, going back dun sa tanong, ilang dresses daw ang nagawa ni mother? So, ibig sabihin, 37 lang ang dresses. Tapos, itong 1/3, sobrang tela na ito. So, sagot natin, or our answer is, mother made 37 dresses with some cloth left over. So, ibig sabihin, hindi naubos lahat ng cloth, may sobrang 1/3. Okay? And then, check and look back. Ito yung huling step, diba? So, first, understanding the problem. Under that is, know what is asked, what are given, and then pangalawa, plan. What is the operation to be used, and then the number sentence, and then pangatlo, solve and get the answer. And then, ito na yung last, check and look back. So, going back to our equation, we have 28 divided by 3/4. Ito yung ginawa natin kanina. And then we used cross multiplication, di ba? And then our answer is 37 and 1/3. Now, kung gagamitan natin ng drawing ito, ang haba o ang dami ng drawing natin na blocks kung gagamitan natin ng block method. So, hindi tayo gagamit ng block method, ibahin natin. Gawin natin is work backward, or the backward method. No? Paano natin siya gawin? Okay? Susundan lang natin yung una natin ginawa kanina. First one is 28, and then arrow mo, kung anong ginawa mo sa 28, you divide it by 3/4, diba? And then another arrow, sagot mo na. So, 112 over 3. So, ginamit natin ang 112 over 3 kasi hindi pwedeng meron tayong whole number. Kasi division of fraction ang ginawa natin, di ba? So, ito yung gagamitan natin, which is our answer as well. Okay? And then, working backwards. Kasi nga backward, yung arrow natin, ibalik natin sa kabila. So, kabaligtaran ng divided by 3/4, that would be times 3/4. So, 112 over 3 times 3/4, cancel natin ang 3. Diba? May isang 3, may isang 3 dyan. Okay? Cancel natin ang 112 at 4 kasi pwedeng i-divide ang dalawa ng 4. So, may isang 4 dito. Dito naman may 28 na 4. O, i-divide mo yan. Okay? So, our answer would be 28 times 1 over 1 times 1. So, that would be 28 over 1. Or, final answer is 28. So, mula dito, okay, our arrow would be papunta sa sagot, which is 28. At tama ba yung sagot natin? Yes. Bumalik tayo sa 28. Diba? Alright, let's have this example problem. Maria has 3/4 of a pizza. She splits it equally among 3 friends. What fraction of the whole pizza does each friend get? First, we need to know what is asked and what are given. Itong dalawa na to is under the first step, which is understanding the problem. And then third is what is the operation to be used and the number sentence. So itong 3 and 4 is under the second step, which is planning. And then 5, solve, and then you get to know the answer. So 5 and 6 is under the third step, which is solve or solution and the answer. So kung titignan mo yung mga letters dyan, A, G, O, N, S, A, it is actually agonsa. So pwede mo sundan ang agonsa, kaya lang 3 steps lang yung nasundan mo dyan. Kaya isunod mo dapat ang check and look back. So subukan isolve ang problem. Okay?